Horses out, while Gorgeous Queen came out of the gate a little bit late. DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Tameret got in second. Alongside third comes Daniel Choi. Down inside fourth, Bibora. Gaia comes next. NC Flirtatious, and two bar behind is Gorgeous Queen. And going along for the first turn, we have DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Tameret got in second. Bibora is running by the third. 4 lengths a win for Daniel Choi, Gaia, NC, and Flirtatious. And that's still DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Tameret cut now trying to get closer in second. Bibora in third. Daniel Choi remains in fourth, NC in fifth. Gaia, Flirtatious, and Gorgeous Queen. And that's still DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Tameret cut still in second. Bibora in third. Daniel Choi in fourth, NC. And Gaia still racing in sixth. Flirtatious. And that's still DJ by about 2.5 lengths. Tameret cut remains in second. Daniel Choi moving up. Gaia on the outside fourth. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still DJ by about 3 lengths. Tameret cut, NC, Gaia, Daniel Choi. Last 100 meters. And it's still DJ by about 4 lengths now. Over NC. And finally number 3, DJ. Second is NC, Gaia, Daniel Choi, Tameret cut. Then comes Flirtatious, Gorgeous Queen, and Bibora.
13 on 4.